Hello friends, welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. So we are providing from Vishnu IAS Academy the best kind of 2021 test series, that is PPP test series, that is we can take as a premium pro and perfect test series for 2021 UPSC prelims. But these tests are very useful, guys. We already know that, most of the aspirants already know that we started premium pro test series. In the coming days, in this particular month, we are going to start perfect test series also. But these test series very helpful for the next coming 2021 prelims, because in all these three different kind of test series, what is the difference, why we are dividing into three parts, that's very important. Based on the students and based on the exam level, that is UPSC standard, what exam UPSC demands from the aspirants, based on that for every test series, that is GS1 or you can take CSAT paper 2, everything we are making in these three different models, the premium, pro, perfect test series. So most of the aspirants already know that we already completed premium pro test series, but what is the importance of perfect test series? Who don't know, compulsory if you utilize from now onwards, definitely you can score better marks in next coming 2021 UPSC prelims in GS1 as well as CSAT paper 2 also without any problem. Additionally, along with this perfect test series, we are providing CSAT special classes also. That class is going to help, because from last year, if you observe 2019 results or 2020 results from Vishnu IAS Academy, see, most of these students are scoring very good marks in GS paper 1. But most of the aspirants not able to score required amount of marks in paper 2, that is CSAT paper 2. But most of the aspirants are spending more time GS1. That's okay, fine. Very important thing. Scoring GS1 marks is very important. So we cannot neglect that. But along with that, CSAT paper 2 also very important. For that point of view, for the benefit of the students, for the benefit of these aspirants of UPSC 2021 prelims, we are providing additional care, additional benefits from Vishnu IAS Academy. But you have to utilize that points from this particular perfect test series. If you are not enrolled still, you can enroll just now. Just we are starting this test series. Every detail we will see here. What is the schedule, when we are starting, what we are going to give in this perfect test series, is this test helpful or not, how it will helpful, every point we will discuss very clear manner. Let's see what is this perfect pro and premium test series. See, premium, pro and perfect, in these three, what is the basic difference here? So already premium pro test series is over, but who are already attended these two test series, they got very good marks. They are giving very good feedback. So Vishnu IAS Academy is providing very high level, complete, useful type of question, whatever UPSC is demanding. Based on that pattern only we are providing. But these tests already started in a 15th October 2020. That premium test series complete in the January month. Again we are came with a pro test series. This is already completed, but now we have another chance for every aspirant who are going to prepare for the 2021 prelims UPSC. Definitely this third one, the perfect prelim test series 2021. The perfect prelim test series 2021 means, even if you are starting just now your preparation, or if you want to write or some kind of best test, or if you are already preparing, so from last some years, definitely if these tests will help for freshers or already experienced aspirants. Definitely these tests will going to help in a better way to score best marks in GS1 as well as the CSAT paper 2. Now this test will going to start from April 8th. This is very important. So in this week we are starting this perfect test series. So in this perfect test series, what we are going to give, that is very important. Obviously every aspirant, so very perfectly they are preparing for GS1, but GS2 also we have to cover. But most of the aspirants are neglecting. We cannot neglect. Most of the students are scoring very good marks in GS1, but if you are not able to score even that 33% of marks in CSAT paper 2, we cannot clear. That means that paper 1 cannot be evaluated. So definitely paper 2 marks also very important. But without spending more time, within a less time, very clear manner, very perfect manner, we are giving test along with the test, the most advantageous thing. So Vishnu IAS Academy, so from our side we are providing the best classes for UPSC maths and reasoning part also, how to answer different type of questions whatever we are getting in UPSC level. So what UPSC is demanding in maths and reasoning, so that topics very clear manner we will discuss based on the previous year lines. So whatever questions we are getting, based on that we will take every point in perfect. That prelims test series going to help, very important. But keep in mind, 8th April we are going to start this. If you are not enrolled, without any doubt you can enroll without any problem. But right, if you enroll in this perfect test series, how many tests you will get, so what is the schedule and what we are going to cover, what are the advantages we are providing from Vishnu IAS Academy, you will see here now. But don't forget this particular test starting date, 8th April we are going to start. But what are the advantages from this, we will see here. But if you observe once again here, for UPSC perfect prelims 2021 online test series, so we are providing just for 5,000 rupees, and if you enroll early in this week, definitely you will get additional discount. And to know more details, you can contact this number also, you will get complete details. But the thing is, we'll focus on complete this perfect prelims test series. So what is the schedule, what points are important, everything we'll see. But just if you want to enroll, just directly you can enroll and you can contact this number, definitely you will get full details. Every detail we will discuss here. But if you enroll this perfect prelim test series, without any doubt you can crack UPSC 2021 prelims. You can score very good marks in paper 1 as well as CSAT paper 2 also. Still, if you have a doubts in the CSAT paper 2, you get full clarity from this kind of perfect prelims test series, because along with this test we are providing additional booster classes for this particular reasoning and quantitative aptitude, for that maybe basic maths part. Everything we will provide. That boosting classes will help in a CSAT paper 2 without doing any extra efforts. Just Vishnu IAS classes or Vishnu IAS these booster additional classes, you will get the benefits. No need to spend additional time, because we are providing classes as well as we are providing test series. For every test, guys, we are giving proper complete explanation. For every detailed explanation we will give for every test. That is also you have to keep in mind, everything very beneficial. So what we are focusing now, so UPSC prelims CSAT paper 2 importance we know that. So definitely if you don't clear CSAT paper 2, definitely your paper 1 will not be evaluated, but you have to score just 33% of marks, nearly 66 marks out of 200. But to score that 66 marks, just if you attempt nearly 28-30 questions, you can score that. But how to attempt that 28 plus questions or more than, we cannot in the border. Always you should be, sometimes maybe some questions may be wrong. So accuracy matters a lot. So to maintain that accuracy, how to answer these questions, everything we will discuss in the perfect prelims test series classes. I will explain very clearly maths as well as reasoning basic concepts with shortcuts in the lines of UPSC. What UPSC is demanding from the aspirant in the maths and reasoning part, that only we will discuss within a short span, but you will get complete clarity about the subject. So don't worry about that. We cannot neglect CSAT paper 2. Let's see what is the syllabus and what important points we are focusing here. In the syllabus, whatever we are taken in this particular test series, we are starting from 8th April. But who are going to attempt that particular test, who enrolls, for every enrolled students we are providing additional classes, additional booster classes for CSAT, because most of the students are requesting or asking about CSAT classes. So from our side, Vishnu IAS Academy side, we are providing the best classes in the less time, how to cover all the topics in very simple and easy manner. See, we cannot focus on everything. Examination point of view, that is UPSC what demanding from the aspirant, that is only we will cover in this particular very proper manner. We planned all the topics, whatever topics are important in a UPSC syllabus CSAT paper 2. Let's see. From 2nd April we are starting classes. Generally we are conducting test from 8th April. Before the test only we are starting these classes. These classes will help to score more marks in the next coming tests, whatever test we will conduct for CSAT. And based on all these topics, just observe, if you observe the complete syllabus, for based on quantitative aptitude, that is basic maths, we are complete taking one particular paper, total 100 questions, comprehensive quantitative aptitude or mathematics. Similarly for reasoning also, after explaining all the topics, all the points, and we are conducting separate test for reasoning also. And all these questions, whatever questions we are taking in 100 questions quantitative aptitude, 100 question mathematics, we are taking based on complete UPSC level from the previous last 10-15 years. If you observe, whatever models we are getting, particularly last 5-6 years model questions are very, very important in UPSC, that every model. So what UPSC demanding, just we are giving that. So for every aspirant, just if you utilize these classes without any second thought, you can score that 33% of marks within simple way from this particular perfect prelims test series batch. Now in this particular thing, what we are doing, basic numeracy and LCM HCF. Just if you observe this particular topic in mathematics or basic maths or quantitative aptitude, these two topics are very, very important. If you observe 2022 CSAT paper 2, nearly 11 to 15 questions, complete 15 questions based on only this basic numeracy, LCM HCF concepts only. Just if you are good in basic concepts. Clear? What is numeracy? What is number system? In a number system, based on digits and based on numbers and based on simple kind of LCM concept, HCF concept, we got different type of question. Every concept, this kind of questions, divisibility rule questions also, if you observe 2020 or 2019, every year we are getting 1 or 2 questions alternatively. But every basic concept I will cover in this particular class on 2nd April. But from 2nd April to, if you completely, if you attend every class, definitely you will get complete clarity about the CSAT maths part as well as reasoning part. I am showing here, just if you are good in concept, you can score very good marks. Just 15 questions we are getting only from this topic, means just imagine. See, total CSAT paper 2 depends on, we know that basic English comprehension and mathematics, basic maths and reasoning. In these 3 parts, on an average we are getting maths, we are getting 20 plus to 25 questions up to, and reasoning also on an average we are getting 20 plus questions that are up to 25. The remaining questions we are getting from comprehension. But in this maths and reasoning part, almost 15 questions only we are getting only this from regularly every year. Now, so just if you are good in this basic concepts, you can score very good marks. Very, very clearly I'll explain all the basic concepts of basic numeracy and LCM and HCF, even if you are a non-math student. So no need to worry, just attend this particular classes. That is, if you enroll, so this perfect 2021 test series, definitely you are going to get these classes very, very clear manner. Now if you observe simplification based questions also, so we are getting regularly, right? So after simplifying, what reminder we are getting, or what kind of digits we are getting the last, based on digit concepts, how to answer the questions we will do. And an average based questions also we are getting, just if you are good in average concepts. Sometimes in a data interpretation also we are getting questions based on average. Clear? So they are giving average questions also. If you observe 2021 also, they give an average weight of the teacher and student, these kind of questions. Every year we are getting average. Just if you know what is average concept, how to answer the basic points, you can score very good marks. Similarly, and ratio and proportion questions also, every time we are getting based on ratio, compulsory you will get question. But how to answer this ratio and proportion questions, very, very clear manner we will discuss in the coming classes. So April 3rd. And similarly, the problems on ages, even if you observe recent paper 2020, we got a problem based on ages also we can answer. But percentage concept is very, very important. Even directly if you are not getting any questions from percentage, the percentage concept is very, very important, because you can apply the percentage concept for some other topics, as well as the percentage concepts is important for data interpretation also. But wherever you will go in a basic concepts, the percentage concepts is very, very important. We'll discuss a very simple and easy manner. Similarly, time and work, so time and distance, these type of questions also we got, and trains and boats and all these type of questions regularly we are getting. If you observe 2021 paper, we got boats and stream questions. Clear? So, and time and work also we got directly very, very basic type of question. So that questions, all the models we will cover, time and work, time and distance, as well as trains and boats and speeds also, everything we will cover. No need to worry. Just if you enroll, say this 2021 perfect prelims test series from Vishnu IAS Academy, definitely you will get additional classes, very simple and easy manner. You can score very good marks in this particular CSAT paper 2, as well as simple interest, compound interest questions also regularly we are getting, minimum 1 or 2 questions compulsory, but very simple and easy concept how to answer simple interest and compound interest type of questions also we are doing based on the schedule you have to follow once you enroll, and everything we will provide once you enroll here, every detail we will provide. Similarly, if you observe quantitative aptitude, again we have some more intense, some more other topics are there, we already taken this, and profit and loss and partnership. If you observe 2020 paper, we got profit and loss question. See, whatever topics we are taking here, everything the based on previous year questions pattern. See, if you observe the actual syllabus of the UPSC notification, they don't mention every topic. We already given complete syllabus analysis. Every important topic we are providing in the perfect prelim test series. So utilize these classes. So definitely you can score very good marks very easily, simple and easy way. But accuracy matters a lot in a CSAT paper 2. For that accuracy, so definitely every concept we will give very perfect manner, and data interpretation just I already explained. So basic average, addition, subtraction, basic calculation and percentage and everything if you are good in, just definitely data interpretation, different models I'll cover, maybe tabular, maybe any kind of thing we will cover, every simple in easy manner. Every year we are getting minimum 1 or 2 questions from data interpretation also. If you observe 2020, 2019, any paper we are getting compulsory questions. So up to this we are covering every point very clear manner. And after that, we will give 1 day for preparation. After that, we will provide one comprehensive test on quantitative aptitude with 100 questions. So with these previous classes, definitely if you prepare 1 day, that is enough. No need to spend more time to score that qualifying marks. These questions and these concepts is enough to score that particular marks. So just attend these particular classes, definitely you are going to score very good marks without any problem. This is about quantitative aptitude, guys. Next, if you talk about reasoning part, in the reasoning also we are covering every topic, whatever questions regularly we are getting in the previous year's questions of CSAT paper 2, basic sequence and series questions, how they are asking. If you observe last 2020 paper, we got 2 direct questions based on series and sequence questions, very simple and basic questions, and directions also regularly we are getting. So last time also we got 1 question, but very simple. I will give concept, you have to understand that concept. Just if you practice whatever test we are providing, not only this test, guys, and we are providing additional tests also. I will give complete details how many tests we are providing. In that test, whatever questions we are giving, just to follow that questions and just follow these concepts. Any question you can answer within the very simple and easy way. And if you observe any CSAT paper 2 regularly, maybe puzzles based and arrangement based questions we are getting. That puzzles and arrangement based questions, that may be anything, so circular or whatever, so square and that different kind of questions, whatever. Overall you will get complete clarity what kind of techniques we can apply. Sometimes most of the aspirants, they will give lengthy data, you will get confused. No, very simple and easy manner how to attempt that puzzles and seating elements, definitely we will discuss in the regular classes. Now next, if you observe the logical reasoning based questions also regularly we are getting, maybe statement, argument, statement, conclusion, as well as the ranking relation questions also. If you observe the last 2020 paper, direct ranking question we got, very simple, clear. And blood relation also, maybe sometimes you will get moderate questions, but still if you are good in basic concepts of blood relation, you can score these particular marks very simple way. And if you observe syllogisms, 1 or 2 questions regularly they are giving, but very clear manner I'll give complete concept of syllogisms in this particular classes. You can score that marks very simple and easy way, without pen and paper also, very simple way you can score. If you answer all these reasoning and quant part in less time, you can spend more time on comprehension also if you have interest, right? Now dice and coding, decoding, very basic type of questions regularly we are getting from this particular CSAT paper 2. Very basic type of questions we are getting from all these topics. Once all these topics is completed, then we will give 1 day for preparation. After that, we will conduct a test which consists of 100 questions. All these 100 MCQs, very important models based on the previous year questions. Just if you attend this test, definitely you will get complete idea and you will get complete confidence on CSAT paper 2. After that, no need to do anything, just follow this perfect prelim test series, all type of questions, just you will get very good marks. Let's see what is the syllabus. in this complete perfect test series of Vishnu IAS Academy, what we are providing? Total comprehension test based on CSAT, we are taking 6 tests. And GS we are taking 6 tests. Total comprehension manner we are taking 12 tests. These tests are going to help a lot, but you have to focus. Still, if you are not enrolled, just you can enroll this. Definitely you will get more benefits. We are just not conducting tests, we are giving explanation for every test. We are discussing every question for every student. Definitely it will be very, very useful. Along with that, for every CSAT, for every topic we are giving additional class also. Just now I explained everything, details, as well as subjective test. If you observe, GS subject wise we are taking 4 tests, as well as CSAT again we are taking 4 tests based on this. Clear? If you follow all these total 20 tests, so next coming 2021 UPSC prelims, definitely all these 20 tests helps a lot. But if you are not enrolled, please enroll to this. Definitely you will get benefits. Just if you observe here, total entire schedule I given along with the dates. Just follow these particular dates. You will get, if you enroll, follow these particular timings and follow these particular dates, you will get the complete clarity. And as well as and some other tests, total 20 tests I am giving the schedule. Just take a screenshot and keep with you. Just if you enroll, follow this particular schedule, definitely you can score very, very good marks. Not only test guys, once again I am reminding, we are providing explanation for every test, all these tests. Now again, this is the final schedule up to June 13 we are providing all these tests. So this is about complete perfect 2020 test series from Vishnu IAS Academy. These are the complete points. If you want to know any other additional details, just you can contact this number 9977679927. We will give complete details if you call, or otherwise directly you can enroll, right? You will get complete details. But so overall, all these points, if you observe, what are the importance or what are the advantages from this perfect prelims 2020 test series, whatever we are providing from Vishnu IAS Academy? The first important thing, we are giving every test, every question based on UPSC standard. That's the first important thing. For every 20 tests, we are providing complete detailed explanation for every subject, every question. That's very, very important. Along with that, who are feeling CSAT is maybe difficult, or who are feeling still now, if you are not spend more time, because if you observe 2019 or 2020, so many students are complaining about, I am not able to score CSAT good mark because I am from non-maths background, like that. So no need to worry. Even if you are a non-maths, no, don't worry. Just if you enroll this test series, we are providing additional care. We are giving additional benefits from Vishnu IAS Academy. We are giving the special classes for CSAT, maths and reasoning part. Definitely we can score very, very good marks. These are the main advantages, guys. But everything up to the UPSC level, what UPSC is demanding from aspirant, everything we are providing from this particular classes, right? If you utilize this particular 2021 perfect prelims test series, so in the next 2021 prelims easily you can crack. So all the best, guys. Thank you all.